sweet potato mini pizzas with a side of some roasted Brussels sprouts. Like, let's go. So we're going to start with our Brussels. We're just going to chop them in half, maybe like a quarter if they're super big ones. Then we'll do a little EVOO. We'll do a little pepper, a little garlic powder, a little onion powder. You could do some salt. We'll mix them all up and then we'll spread them out, and we're going to roast those in a 420-degree oven for about 40 minutes. And then we're also going to do our sweet potatoes at the same time. So the sweet potatoes, we have like circled, like, you know, and we'll do a little like Pam, and then we'll do a little pepper, and we'll do a little garlic powder, and we'll do a little onion powder, a little salt if you want. Then we're going to flip them over and do the same thing to the other side. And we'll roast those with the Brussels sprouts around the same time. And then when they come out, we'll have like our little station set up here. So we got that sauce from the other day with the spaghetti squash that we made. And I cut up those like meatless balls for just like so they're a little bit smaller and easier to work with. We'll do a little bit of that sauce. If you haven't seen that video and how we made that with the spaghetti squash, you should totally go watch that. And then we're going to put our little Impossible meatless balls, our little chow vegan cheese on top. And then we're just going to put them back in for like 5 minutes. And holy titties. Okay, it's the Brussels. I love these. I make them all the time, like, well, literally all the time. But these look so freaking good. I don't know why it works, but you guys, it works. It works so well together. The meatiness, the heartiness. Oh, I love it. Full written recipe below midnightmunchiesandmore.com. And make sure you guys subscribe. And thanks for joining me. Love you. Bye.
Oh, good night kisses while he wishes and reminisces. His eyes kissing while he waits for the full moon above. Oh, ivory dove, passionate love. Listening closely, positioning my intuition for her nutrition and ambition. Get up, like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning. Get up, like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning. Get up, hey, like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning. Get up, hey, like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning.